Stop your hiccups instantly by pressing a secret spot on your wrist. Imagine having the power to silence those annoying hiccups in seconds, right at your fingertips. This magical pressure point, located just below the base of your thumb, works by stimulating the diaphragm through nerve signals. Simply use your thumb to press firmly on the inside of your opposite wrist, and hold for about 30 seconds. This simple trick taps into ancient acupressure techniques, offering a quick fix that traditional remedies like holding your breath or drinking water often fail to deliver. Next time you're caught off guard by those pesky hiccups, remember this tiny wrist trick. It might just become your new go-to life hack. Try it and see how this fascinating, little-known method can bring instant relief and a touch of wonder to your everyday life.